We have this pan1 crack me program. We don't have the source code. Now I'm running the program in the terminal. So we get this and we have a login form. So I'm typing admin. Yeah, better like next time. So that means it's not the correct login. So let's open up Hopper disassembler. I'm dragging this program into this. So yeah, so we can actually go through these sections and see what we can find. When we go down, we see, yeah, good work on a good work in a better luck next time. So these statements down there, and we have main function here. So we get the hierarchical view, the diagram. So once we zoom out the main, so it kind of gives you the uh, hierarchical. Now you can see at the bottom, the right bottom, you can see the entire hierarchy view, and it is like highlighting the section which we are right at the moment we are in. So I'm going to this apex function, and when I go down, so there's this, yeah, this particular section. Actually the entire upper part gets connected to this statement. So now we can zoom in and see what we have inside that. We have the location number and test, and we have JNE statement there. So it kind of looks like, like we are getting the user input, and then we are comparing it with another value. So if that, the value is correct, so that means like we have the correct value in the memory, which is the correct serial number. If the user input we are giving is correct, is similar to this serial number, which is hardcore, which is in the memory, so it's gonna it's going to log us in. So if not, so that's where this JNE statement comes in. If not, it's going to uh, execute something else. So it's not going to, it's not letting us to log in to the program. So we are going to copy this value, so we can actually convert it into hexadecimal here. So, or else actually we can do it manually. I'm using this LLDB debugger to debug this program. Now we are actually setting a breakpoint at this line. So I'm entering the extra value. Yeah. So address, that's the address, and now we are running the program. We're again going to type, and it says the process has stopped, and it's going to be stopped. So we are going to, like, at the very bottom of this the code, and we see these dot values in section dot common. Actually in Mac OS, these Mac O headers, this section double underscore common means that so these dots are there in the static code. So when it comes to dynamic analysis, this dot gets changed. So that's the only point where they can put the actual um, the serial key value in order to compare it with the value we give to the program. So what we are going to do is we are going to see the we are going to dump that value, dump actually so let's see, we have an article online for this. Yeah, it says the values that are there in the comment section can be changed in the runtime. So we are going to copy this value, and actually we are going to analyze this section, the entire section, and for that we are going to use this memory read command. So we have to specify the range that we are going to analyze from this uh, register, this address to this address. So that's what we are typing here, and we can, yeah, we use this minus minus force keyword. So if the dump is too large, so we are going to force it, but like without forcing it, it will not give us the output if it is if the dump is too heavy. So we hit enter. Yeah, I think I have missed a digit here. Let's see. 2 3 4 6 1 A0. Yeah, I have to put a 0 here. So yeah, so then we get the admin. So as you can see, when we were analyzing this part, you can see in the Hopper disassembler, you can't see that admin value. So all you can see is those are dots there. That means the at the runtime it gets changed. So admin is the username that I entered during the runtime of the program. Uh, then we have this Nixie, Nixie, and then I have good work. So let's see whether this word is the correct uh, serial key, the correct key that we are looking for. So we have to run the program in another terminal. Okay, the program is running and we have the login prompt. Yeah, I'm going to give that value, Nixie, good work. So that means I entered to the program successfully. Thank you.